Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a side-by-side of two of my favorite vehicles that we offer. The brand new Sorento and the all-new Sportage. Both of which are great cars, but with the redesign of the new Sportage, their relationship to each other is a little bit different than it used to be. And the styling on both is fantastic. So come around and I'll show you. I have right here, this is a 23 Sportage X-Line all-wheel drive premium package. And versus the old model, it is now 7 inches longer than the outgoing version. So significant increase in both cargo space and interior space. And the interior in here is just phenomenal. In this one you have the Sage interior package, which just looks awesome. And yeah, a lot of space in the first and second row. And now with the increase in space that you have versus the outgoing model, the real difference between this and the Sorento is going to be that you have a third row. And in the new Sorento, of course, with the third row up, you still have enough space for groceries and some small stuff. And it's a 50-50 split. So if you need one person back here and some stuff on the other side, you can do that as well. And you have the flexibility of being able to carry a lot of stuff. And first and second row, a little bit wider, but for the most part, very comparable in terms of space. You can't go wrong either way, but a lot of people who might have been looking at a Sorento before, just for the amount of room, but not necessarily the seating capacity, now you can save some money with the awesome new Sportage. Or, of course, you still can't go wrong with the Sorento. So if you're interested in checking out either, just shoot us a call or stop by today.